Welcome, everyone. Grandmaster Dr. Thor Templar, your Atlantean wisdom, your voice of gnosis in a pretty messed up, filthy sewer of a reality. And I'm going to cover today what everyone wants to know, and that's how do I get rich using occultism? And considering occultism really is the major factor, otherwise known as luck or occult energies, in winning in almost all gambling systems, then occultism is a fantastic additional energy to use and the primary energy that can really assist you. But I'm afraid this secret is not for everyone. This information is part of the exclusive Outer Order membership. So if you want this information, go to the Outer Order membership information and join. It's inexpensive and it's loaded with free links, free courses, links to videos, free information, and cutting edge training that only the Outer Order is made available. So join Mal and get in with the cool people and the fun and excitement that the Outer Order is all about, which is absolutely no obligation. Once you join, you help or not, just enjoy the benefits.